We barely started. You're going to make it big.
What?
Okay, today we're going to make microwave cake, and you will need 1 box of angel food cake.
From the heavens of what you are.
Preferably Betty Crocker.
The best brand that I know of.
We're going to need another Betty Crocker.
Who else?
Angel food cake and yellow food cake. And then you're gonna need
Heavenly.
a gallon baggie for 1 tablespoon of water. Oh, you're also gonna need a mug.
Whatever mug.
Some kind of, okay, you can use a coffee mug. Anything that's about the size of a mug that's glass and microwave safe. So we're gonna use this because we don't have any coffee mugs at the moment.
Just pick whichever mug you prefer.
First things first, okay, here, you open this. You're supposed to put the cake mixes into the bag so you can get scissors. You can like watch it.
I'm so sick.
I feel like this is gonna explode.
That's why I bit the side of mine.
Okay, next step, once you have all your batter in your 1 gallon bag, you mix it. We need some music. What music should we play?
Turn down for what? Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Is this mixed enough?
I know it's mixed enough.
You get your mug, the mug that you're gonna microwave, and you're gonna put 4 tablespoons of this in your mug. Done. Magic.
Ichi. Yeah, I know a little bit.
Go faster!
Sorry! Dose. Yeah, I know some Spanish.
Oh my god!
Okay, we're good? Okay, we're good. 3. I like to go back to English. I am in America. America.
You see what I do with?
She loves it. I'm just gonna, that's about it, that's cool.
Okay. If you want, you can mix another flavor into your cake mix. So if you want different flavors, you can have coffee.
Any brand, any
Instant coffee, preferably. You don't want coffee grounds in your coffee cake. Or you can put chocolate. And then if you have the strawberry Nesquik, you can put strawberry Nesquik. Now when you put it in your mix, you put 1 tablespoon. There, that's good. And then you put the 1 tablespoon of chocolate mix. There, you mix that in there. You put 1 tablespoon of water. No, not 1, 3. Hurry, women, where's the spoon? Oh, and then when you're done, you mix it. Which we need a fork.
Fork?
Fork. Now because it's angel food cake, you have to like really mix it. I'll take a picture and I'll show it on the screen. So that's what it's supposed to look like up close. Next you put it in the microwave. So after you have your cake out, you have the option to put whipped cream on it.
Which I prefer. I recommend
Okay, so you take the whipped cream and put it on your little cake. Like that. Anyways, when you take it out of the microwave, don't eat it until like 1 or 2 minutes after you've taken it out because it's actually pretty hot. So we're gonna taste test this.
You just went for this. He didn't even go for the cake. It's just straight up whipped cream.
Careful, it might be hot.
I like it because I really taste like a coconut.
So I hope you liked our video. Please like, comment, subscribe, something.
All of the above. No, don't even just
If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And if you want the actual recipe, I'll leave it in the caption below. Bye!
Adios.
We're gonna do chocolate and coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so does marshmallows.